So, what's up mga ka-frenny and welcome back to my kabaliwan channel, and it's me, Borayray again, and for today's video is isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano ang nilalaman ng aming ref. Ayan. So, kung nga alam kung may mai-share ba yung kung may mai-share ba itong ref namin sa inyo. Ayan. So, dahil ang social yung ref namin, so kailangan English speaking tayo ngayon. Ayan. So, ayan. So let's start mga ka-frenny. So first of all, let's see the outside of our ref. So as you can see, there is Baguio City magnet. Ayan. Oh, look at this. It's Baguio. It came from Baguio. I bought this in Baguio City because I love Baguio City there because it's very cold. Yeah. So next, actually there's more magnet. Then we have Subic Bay. This is what we call hipon in Tagalog. Oh, it's lag there. Okay. And of course we have also Baguio magnet. Okay. So we have also our crispy fried. Yeah, because sometimes we cook we fried chicken, and of course we have also ginataang nyog. Ayan. And then we have also margarine. Yeah, since birth there's margarine. Okay, yeah. So let's start inside. No, up down for the first floor of the refrigerator. Okay, so let's open it. Let's see what's inside in our ref. Okay, so are you ready mga ka-frenny? I think you are ready because I am already ready. Okay, so let's open it. Ta-da! So this is our this is inside our ref. What? Okay. So, first of all, we start here. This is lemon. Okay, this is the lemon. Wait, let's adjust it. Okay, this is lemon. Okay, because we always drink this lemon because I want to lose weight. Actually, my sister. Okay, so we love also kamatis. We have a lot of kamatis here. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of kamatis because we take care our skin. Yeah, skin artist. Yeah. Oh, look. Yeah, only kamatis touches my skin. Yeah. And of course, we have also mogo mogo. Oh, mogo mogo. I love mogo mogo. Yeah. The nata de coco. I love to eat mogo mogo. Yeah. And of course, we have also pineapple juice drink. Yeah, pineapple Del Monte. So I drink this because when I'm angry and when my blood pressure get high, I drink this. Yeah, to low my my blood pressure. And of course we have Del Monte again. Del Monte for vitamin C so that the virus will avoid. Okay. And we have also wait. Okay, so let's continue. So we have also a what they call this honey. Yeah, honey bee. It came from our province. Okay, honey bee. And of course we have also 3 cheese. Yeah, because we love to make spaghetti. Yeah, every day we use this also for Pizza Hut. Yeah, Pizza Hut. Yeah, when we make pizza, we put this to the bread pan. Okay, next we have Ladies choice. Yeah, ladies choice is very luscious. Ibang words yun. Search mo. Okay, so this is ladies choice chicken spread. So you have to spread it to the bread so that it spread. Yeah. And we have also here Alaska condensada. This Alaska is very luscious. Yeah. And of course, we have also water. Yeah. Water is very refreshing. Yeah, the water that we always find when we are thirsty. And next we have cow head. Yeah, cow head, and I love milk. Yeah, I always drink milk every night when I went to bed. Before I went to bed pala. Yeah. And of course, I love fit in right because I want my tummy like this. Yeah, this size. Okay, so yeah, it less sugar. Yeah, I love fit in right. And of course we have this. Okay, so I love drink sterilized because yeah, every night I always drink this because I love this. Yeah, it gives me refreshing also this. Okay, next we have here raisin. Okay, so raisins. Yeah, raisins. So this one, oh, peanut butter. I love peanut butter. So there's no peanut inside the bottle. So let's throw it. Okay, next we have talong. Okay, this is vegetables. I love talong, you know. Talong is also one of my favorite. Tortang talong. Yeah, tortang talong. This is talong. Okay, talong. Okay, when I get bitter, when I saw something, hugging or couple something, I eat ampalaya when I get that and bitter. Then next we have also what do you call this? I don't know what is this. It's grass. Okay, grasshopper. I know grass. I don't know what calls this. And we have also what is this? Okay, this egg. So we always eat also egg, no? So because it gives also protein. Okay, search it. Okay, so we have also here apple. Yeah, apple. So I always eat apple because it cleans my my tummy. Toxic. Okay, talk. So we have also eat grapes. Yeah, I love grapes. Yeah, there's a lot of grapes here. Grapes. Yeah, we love eat fruits because we want healthy body. So we are done. We are done to the first floor. We are done. So let's move to the freezer. So what's inside in our freezer? So let's open it. Okay, so first is we have chicken longanisa. Chicken longanisa. I love chicken longanisa. Yes, chicken longanisa. I love to eat. Okay, I bought this in Pure Gold. Okay, and we have also another hot dog, CDO, chicken frank. Okay, a hot dog who always frank me. Okay, so next we have chicken wings. Only wings here. Chicken wings. On the wings of love. Chicken wings. Okay, so we have here ice cubes. Yeah, we use these ice cubes when when the soft drinks and water are not very cold. So we use these ice cubes. So next is we have dairy cream. Yeah. Dairy cream. I love dairy cream. I don't know how to use it, but dairy cream. Yeah. So that's inside my wrap. So that's all. Everything inside my wrap. So that is video for today, and I hope you enjoy watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for you to update for the upcoming videos. Okay, so see you next video. So bye mga ka-frenny.